RC Boat Components Overview. Remote Controller Guide. Battery Installation. Open the battery compartment cover of the remote control. Insert 2A alkaline batteries, not included, matching the polarity markings. Then close the battery cover. Open the outer hatch lid. Twist open the compartment knob and remove the battery for charging. The light on the USB plug will stay off while charging. Once fully charged, the red indicator light will turn on. Reconnect the battery and boat wires. Close the battery cover securely to prevent water from entering. Then firmly fasten the hatch lid. Turn on the remote control. The power indicator will blink. Then, place the boat in the water. Once the remote's power indicator stays on, it means the remote and boat are successfully paired. Move forward, move backward, turn right, turn left. Short press this button to spray water, and press it again to stop. If the boat drifts while moving straight, manually adjust the rudder to correct the direction. You can find us on the packing box.